Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting.
Hey everyone! Today is my second nano hair treatment session. I haven't seen results yet, but I'm excited to continue my hair journey. Come along with me! I took a taxi to my appointment at 10:30 a.m. When I arrived, I went in to wash my hair and start the treatment. Today they only did the mesotherapy, apply the serum to my scalp, followed by microneedling, and finish with LED light therapy to stimulate hair growth. There are still no visible results yet, but I'm excited to see my hair transform after the full course.
And it's my foodie here. Ayan, so parang katulad lang siya ng kinainan ko before na pulutan. It all you can siya. So, I started with the rice and pancit canton and kare-kare. Ayan. So, let's see guys. Hindi ko kasama yung pinsan ko ngayon kasi may work siya. And I'm waiting Barbie. Si Barbie, wala pa siya dito. And let's try this pancit canton. Bismillah. Hindi siya masyadong crowded ngayon guys. Or maybe maaga lang ako. Last time kasi, wala talagang space. Oh. Let's have some kare-kare. Ayan, tapos na ako sa pancit canton, guys. Sarap.
Gusto niyo po yung limited dose, additional 5
Later na po. Here's my another food. And my lunch plan. Pinaltaw guys, pinaltaw. Creamy. Lapit lang. Hey guys, here's another dessert. It's a Filipino dessert, guys. Ooh, yummy.
After lunch, I headed to Alwada Mall since the bus station was nearby. While waiting, I relaxed at Paparotti with a refreshing juice, a perfect little break before heading home.
Tampo na naman. Bagay and battery na pala siya. Ay, hindi Pinards ko yan kagabi.
Ang cute naman eh. Sabi ko, bakit hindi nasa gitna? Tapos pag-angat ko, uusog ko pa, matatapon ko pala.
First time mo bang pumunta dito sa
Sa paparo. Uusog ko, matatapon pa pala.
Here's my lemon mint juice. Here in Paparotti. Cheers, guys. Oo.
Ganda. Pang ano din siya, pwede din siya mag-swimming. Ang ganda mo. Pero nakita ko sa yung post nung nakagano ko naman siya. Pababa naman yung tingin mo.
You got me open, I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding.
Balik! Dali na! Umatras eh!
Thanks for joining me for my second nano hair treatment session. There are still no visible results yet, but I'm excited to continue my hair journey. Stay tuned for more updates.